Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have some planting that needs to be done before full-fledged fall hits. And besides just doing some general planting, I want this video to be a little bit of an encouragement to you, especially if you're a first-time gardener and you've had some gardening fails, gardening disappointment. I'm here to tell you, not all plants, not all seedlings end up working out. I know that that's hard. I know that it can be really sad, really upsetting, especially if there's a plant that you really love and you really wanted it to work, but it doesn't. That can be said for our side garden here. If you have followed us for any length of time, you'll know that originally over here we did have the butterfly bush. It has been rehomed to along the Dry Creek bank over there, but it wasn't working here. The wind had managed to pull it out and toss it. It was not living its best life over here. So instead we found this beautiful hydrangea. It's a quick fire, I can't remember which one. It's a Proven Winners. It's a dwarf, so it is going to be smaller. It gets max 3 foot by 3 foot. We are looking at doing 2 more hydrangeas over here next year, but we have, how many plants would you say we've tried over here, Mom?
3 or 4.
Well, I mean, we did the heuchera over here.
Yeah, it
we
gets
did
too much
4.
sun here.
Yeah, it gets too much sun along here. There was like 4 of those. We tried the butterfly bush. The butterfly bush wasn't working real well.
Trying, but
then there was that low ground creeper that we had tried to put in.
yeah.
So we've tried a lot of things over here. Not all of them have succeeded, obviously. So just know that if you have an area that is challenging you, please stick with it. Please keep trying. We are definitely doing that. But we're going to go on ahead and we are going to get these 2 pots in, which is going to be a little bit of a challenge because over here it's pretty well heavy clay underneath, so we really do have to work and amend where we dig the holes, which is fine. This we got at the local garden center. Let me get in here and not fall over at the exact same time. Okay, so this is a super blue liriope. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's called Super Blue, and it really wasn't expensive, but of course we're at the end of the season here. But we're going to be having these guys pulled a little bit more forward from our hydrangea. These have finally decided to fill out and get all frondy. We're very happy about that. So we're going to be getting those in.
Whoa!
She found a spider, I bet. Then we're going to come over here to the permaculture area because we have a section of the permaculture that has also been challenging to get things to root and grow in. But we have these, and look at this beautiful striking blue, the foliage. We really fell in love. So it's a salvia, okay? And salvia is perennial for us here in zone 7A. So we've got 3 of these, and salvia can get fairly large. So we're going to basically be doing a swath here in this corner. So from here to back here, as you can see, we've got tags of things that we've tried. There was a heuchera that we tried back here. We thought it might do well with the shade. It didn't. We have issues with our heuchera here. But we're going to do a swath right in here and hope that it takes for next year. It's filling out very well over here. We've just had to do a lot of trials, errors, lots of fails, but that's okay. That's part of gardening. Gotta have a little bit of tenacity. All right, so we're gonna go on ahead, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put you on hyperlapse, and we're gonna start over here at the side garden, then work our way over to the permaculture garden. So I will see you guys here in a bit. Okay, so we got the plants in. Let me go on ahead and turn you around, give you a bigger scope. So this guy here is actually off center. So when we go to put in the other two hydrangea bushes, we're trying to work a little bit more this way. Part of the reason for that is because of that gas line that they had put in. But so we're going to kind of bring the other hydrangea on this side a little bit more to the right, and then not so far to the left with the hydrangea on this side. But it's too late. Good job, Roxy, peeing on camera. Oh, okay, she's eating dirt. This guy here should fill in pretty nicely. So we'll have two grasses together, very different textures though. Same over here. We basically went with the same distance roughly on this side. Really, Mom?
Yeah.
You don't want your butt in the camera, yet you stuck it in the camera.
No, because you weren't over here at the time I leaned over. Go for it.
So this one here, over this way, it's not nearly as close as that one over there is, but our hope is that it will all fill in eventually and you're not going to be able to tell a difference. And that's actually pretty true. Things like this are very forgiving when you pack plants in, and nothing that we have here is perfect. So we're going to go on ahead, we're going to move on to the permaculture area where we're going to put in that blue salvia on this far end. And I'll put you on hyperlapse for that part as well. standing over here in the shade for a minute because it's getting hot. Noisy truck. Okay. So we went on ahead, we got those beautiful blue salvia, and we had a little bit of an issue with a very large ant population making a home over there, carrying little larvae around. We've got an ant trap there, so that shouldn't be long term, and hopefully it won't impact the salvia. I'm gonna just water that in and call it good for today. But I hope you enjoyed this planting day video. I know there weren't any real tips or tricks, just a little bit of encouragement to keep going on ahead and planting even if you've had something go wrong. But it's okay. I hope I enjoyed it. I enjoyed planting with my mom. So I hope you enjoyed watching us plant together. But I'm going to go on ahead and sign off here. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the best thing that you can do. Subscribe to the channel, comment, share, then like. The algorithm likes it when we have a community here, which is what we're trying to build. So go on ahead and join us here because we love to help other urban growers grow no matter where they are. Guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We will see you on the next video. Bye.